Hello everyone, good afternoon. This month, October 15th, so Azure Data Engineer new batch starts on October 15th. Okay, so it is a fast track batch. The duration is 30 days and the timings are 6:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. Morning sessions and evening sessions. Evening the timing says 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. and Monday to Friday regular sessions, and weekends will conduct the projects, mock interviews, resume preparations, LinkedIn, career setups and workshops and guys, this is the course content. So first we'll cover the basics. Okay. Later, morning time, I will start the Azure Data Factory sessions. Okay. So I will cover all the topics into the Azure Data Factory. So first we'll discuss these basics and all. Later we'll jump into the scenarios only. Mostly I will cover the more than 15 to 20 use cases, real-time use cases into the Azure Data Factory. And next we'll discuss about the SQL, right, and other topics. Okay, and Azure Databricks also. Evening I will start the Azure Databricks and PySpark parallelly. Okay, so after this course and every weekend I will start one project. Okay, every weekend I will start one project. So I will cover Python also, and I will cover the 4 projects. So the duration of 30 days, right? Every weekend we have one project. So the first project is on-prem. So the data movement from SQL Server 2 and into the cloud by using the complete Azure Data Factory concepts by using Azure Data first. So we are moving the data into destination. Our destination is Synapse. And second project is on-prem file system. Move the data into the Synapse. So here we are using the Azure Data Factory plus Azure Databricks. So Azure Databricks is going to take care of the transformation part. Azure Data Factory will pay the going to take care of this extracting and loading part. And third one is a Delta Lake. Completely there is a dedicated project into the Delta Lake, into the PySpark with the Spark SQL into the Databricks. And fourth project is complete end-to-end Azure Data Engineer project. So in this Azure Data Engineer project, I will include the Data Factory, Databricks, PySpark, SQL, Python, and Azure DevOps and Azure Repos and GitHubs. So branching strategies, everything will include into the end-to-end Azure Data Engineering project. Okay, right? The course, again, the course duration is 30 days, means it is fast track batch only. Okay, the timings are morning and evening. Morning 6:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. and evening 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay,